Wide Web is not just about what is happening, the standards that are being set in the West. The World Wide Web, through this conference, can bring meaning to the challenges that are uniquely Indian. The scalability and the performance and the fact that mobility is so much important as a platform. What does it mean to the standards committee? Those kind of things that are very important to 1 billion people in the world, 1/5 of the world's population, 20% of the world lives in India. That is the moment that has been brought forth for all of us in India by Professor Sadgopan and his team. So we must seize this moment, and the press's role in spreading the word. In spreading the word, we spread the word in so many different areas. These days they say spam and scam, and you invest an inordinate time in talking about both. I think technology and the way it will prevent both these from happening, the role of World Wide Web, the role of transparency, the role of technology in bringing these things to fore is squarely on the shoulders of the press if they were to bring this word out. And that is one reason why Professor Sadgopan has called for this conference, so that we openly share our views and the future that jointly belongs to us. The last part is, I'd like to say, is about innovation. I always point this out and some people laugh at me, but I'm going to share this with you anyway. The point that I always make is that if intelligence is a normal distribution, that bell curve that we all so love, the mathematics of it that we all so admire, if that is what it is, wherever there are more people in India, there is more collective intelligence. There are 1 billion people in India, and to set the perspective, from the West perspective, there are only 250 million people in US, and that's the large number. You look at countries like France and Germany and so on, they are 1/20th our size or 1/10th our size in terms of native raw intelligence that resides in this country. If we can enable that intelligence to solve the largest of the large problems, forget India, we can show a way to the world. I'm not just limiting myself to India. Forget India, we can show a way to the world to solve its most difficult problems. The highest CPU, the highest processors, the highest amount of intelligence resides in India. Why do I emphasize on this point? The reason why I emphasize on this point is that the bringing of worldwide conference, the WWW, which is the World Wide Web, the web that spans across the world, the web that connects the rest of the world, that is coming here. That is coming here in Hyderabad. That is not coming in distant future. It is here and now. It's happening in 3 months. And if we can make sure that the smartest, the most intelligent, the hardest working, and the people with greatest innovation and thinking, no matter what caste, creed, religion, background, age group, science, arts, maths, whatever it is, no matter what diverse background they come from, if we can get them in these halls of Hyderabad at HICC on those opportune 5 days, if we can get them here, and if you can play a role in making that happen, you all sitting here in the crowd, you are our window to the world. If we can make it happen, I'm telling you, in 4 years and in 6 years and in 10 years, we will remember this moment, because we would have seeded the World Wide Web with ideas of innovation that will solve problems not only for our country, not only for this great nation that lives in cities and villages, but also for the West. I think the West is looking at us, and I think we must have a significant and interesting response to them. And the Worldwide Conference is one such event where we can make it happen. Thank you.